Welcome to Lana's shop. Today we're going to put it up for sale and buy. And using quarters, half, and dirhams. So,
hi, I'm gonna buy some stuff. How much is this?
that is for 500.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Do you want to buy something else?
Yeah, I would like to buy this.
This is for 28.
So how much does he need to give you?
You have to give me 2 of the 10s and 1 5.
Do you have coins? He doesn't have coins, Mom. So maybe he needs to give you the...
50.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So how much do you need to give him back?
Change.
What's the change? 50 minus
Where's
28.
I'm going to give you back 32. 20. 22.
Ooh.
I can give back the 50s.
No. 22. Show me the 2 dirhams that you're giving him. 22. Show me the 2.
They're made out of halves and quarters.
No, it's only half.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to buy something else?
You want to buy
2
something
items?
else?
I'd like to buy this. How much is this for?
3 dirhams.
Okay. I'd like to. How much are these two together?
They are.
Actually, I would say these two. This one and this one.
That is 20.
Okay.
So this and this. They
No,
make...
he said this one.
Oh, sorry.
Here you go, the money.
Thank you.
So 20 dirham.
That is handsome.